Hello everyone, welcome to the Upfront. Today we discuss a deeply concerning issue highlighted by Human Rights Watch HRW in a recent report. According to HRW, Prime Minister Narendra Modi made over 100 Islamophobic remarks during his electoral campaign this year. The report, titled Hate Speech Fueled Modi's Election Campaign, analyzed 173 speeches and found that in at least 110 of them, the Prime Minister incited discrimination, hostility and violence against marginalized communities, particularly Muslims. These campaign speeches were filled with unfounded fears directed at Hindus, suggesting that their religion, places of worship, wealth, land and even the safety of women and girls would be threatened if opposition parties were to come into power. Additionally, Modi perpetuated false claims about higher birth rates among Muslims, insinuating that Hindus, who make up around 80% of India's population, could become a minority. This is part of a broader, troubling trend that has been escalating since the Modi government came to power in 2014. Human Rights Watch has documented how senior leaders of Bharatiya Janata Party, including Home Minister Amit Shah, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma and Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Aditya Nath, have also made speeches that further stoke Hindu-Muslim tensions. For instance, in a speech on May 7 in Dharm, Madhya Pradesh, Prime Minister Modi falsely claimed that the Congress party intends to give priority to Muslims even in its polls. In another speech on May 14 in Kodarma, Jharkhand, he alleged that the idols of Hindu gods are being destroyed and that Muslim infiltrators threaten the safety of our sisters and daughters. Elaine Pearson, Asia Director at Human Rights Watch, has condemned these speeches, stating that they have further normalized abuses against Muslims, Christians and other minorities. She said the Indian government's claims of plurality and being the mother of democracy ring hollow in the face of its abusive anti-minority actions. The HRW report also highlights that violence against religious minorities has continued since the election, with 12 Muslim men and a Christian woman losing their lives in 28 reported attacks across the country. BJP leaders and affiliated Hindu nationalist groups have, over the past decade, made statements inciting mob attacks on churches. These incidents have included pastors being beaten, prevented from holding religious meetings, and churches being vandalized. As we confront these harsh realities, it is crucial that the Modi government reverses its discriminatory policies, take concrete actions against violence targeting minorities, and ensure justice for all those affected. It is our duty to uphold the values of equality, justice, and democracy that are foundational to our nation. That's all for today. If you like the content we provide, please subscribe to the Upfront and press the bell icon to get notification of all our updates. Please share our videos and educate others. Thank you.